Today, I'll be showing you how to edit image settings for your DropInBlog blog posts. First up is adding alternative text. You can easily add alternative text and captions to ensure search engine crawlers and users with screen readers know what's in an image even if it doesn't show on a page. Simply click anywhere on the image, and in the pop-up menu, click on the T icon. A pop-up window will appear where you can add the alt text for your image. Alt text should generally contain the keyword you're targeting and/or a description of the image. Once you're satisfied, click on Update to save your changes. Next is adding image captions. To add a caption to your image, click anywhere on the image. In the pop-up that appears, click on the icon with an underlined image. A text box under your image will be added with the default image caption text. Click inside this text box to edit the caption. Once done, just click outside the box, and the changes you made will automatically be saved. Image captions can be used to describe something in the image, or they can be used to give credit to the person who took the image. Up next, changing your image styles and borders. All images you add to your blog posts have a light border and shadow around them by default. You can easily remove this border if you don't want it to show around your images. If you'd like to change this globally, it can be done in the Design Customizations page of your DropInBlog account. Click on the image, then in the pop-up menu, click on the icon of a rectangle with a star in it. This will open a drop-down with the following options: no border and wide breakout. Selecting the no border option will remove the default image border. Selecting wide breakout will adjust the size of your image to the width of the editor. You can also apply two styles at once. You can select wide breakout and no border. And if you click on a style icon again in the menu, the style you select will have a gray background, like shown here. If you want to change the default border style for your images on a global level for all posts on your blog, simply go to your DropInBlog code and layout page. Once there, navigate to the Advanced section. And under Design Customizations, find Image Frame. And from the drop-down menu, choose your desired option. You'll be able to see the change in the preview here on the right. Once done, save your changes by clicking on Save Design Customizations. Next, adding links to images. To add a link to your images, click on the image, and in the pop-up menu, click on the link icon. In the pop-up window, you can insert a link, select the appropriate rel attribute, and set the link to open in a new tab. We'll go ahead and paste a link and tick Open in New tab. Once you're done with your changes, click on Insert. Now, changing the image display and alignment. Click anywhere on the image, and in the pop-up menu, click on the display icon. It will look like a regular web page with an image and some shrunk-down text. In the drop-down, two options will appear: Inline and Break Text. Inline will make the image appear on the same line as the text, while Break Text will divide the images and text. The difference between these two options is best seen when you align an image left or right. And so, to access image settings, click on the image, and in the pop-up menu, select the bars filter icon. From the drop-down menu, you can select the alignment position, left or right. If you select Inline as your preferred display style and align your image left or right, the text will wrap around your image like so. And as mentioned before, Break Text will divide the images and text. That's it for changing the image display and alignment. Next is moving images within your posts. This is very straightforward. Simply click on the image, hold and drag the image to where you want it, then drop to place. That's it for moving your images. And last is replacing and deleting images. If you want to replace an image you already added to your post, simply click on it. And in the menu, click on the icon with two horizontal arrows pointing in opposite directions. A pop-up window will appear below your image. Click on the file icon to open the file manager and select one of the existing images. Simply hover over the image you've chosen and click on Insert. Then, back in that small pop-up, click on Replace, and you will have replaced your existing image. Alternatively, you can upload a new image by clicking on Upload here on the upper right. And in the pop-up, either drag and drop the image you want to insert, or click on Browse to choose a file from your computer. We'll try dragging and dropping in an image. There it is uploaded. Simply hover over it and click on Insert. To confirm your choice, click on the Replace button in the small pop-up window. And there is your image replaced. If you want to remove the image completely, click on the image, and in the pop-up menu, simply click on the trash icon. It's as easy as that. And that's how you edit the image settings for your DropInBlog blog posts. Happy blogging!